Top 6 vitamins to regain strong legs fast. Are your legs feeling weak and you're finding it hard to get up the stairs or walk long distances? Or maybe you have a medical condition that makes your legs feel heavy and tired. If this sounds like you, then keep watching because today we will discuss the top 6 vitamins that can help you regain strong legs fast. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest health and medical information. Today, we will be diving into the world of vitamins and discussing the top 6 vitamins that can help improve leg strength. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you never miss out on any of our health tips. The strength of your legs is essential for mobility and an active lifestyle. However, many people, especially over 60 years old, often face a decline in leg strength due to various factors such as age, lack of exercise, and nutritional deficiencies. The good news is that there are vitamins that can help improve leg strength and overall health. In this video, we will reveal the top 6 vitamins that can help you regain strong legs fast. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy bones and muscles, and a deficiency in any of them can contribute to leg weakness. So if you want to improve your leg strength and overall health, then make sure to watch this video until the end and find out which vitamins you need to include in your daily diet. Let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the most important vitamins for maintaining strong legs because it helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for bone health. Studies show that people with low levels of vitamin D have weaker bones and muscles, making it harder to walk and increasing the risk of falls and fractures. Fortunately, it is easy to increase vitamin D levels by spending time outdoors, exposure to sunlight, and by consuming foods rich in vitamin D, such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Additionally, vitamin D plays a vital role in reducing inflammation in the body, which can contribute to joint pain and stiffness. By maintaining adequate vitamin D levels, you can help reduce inflammation and improve the overall health of your legs and joints. Furthermore, vitamin D also supports immune function, which can help protect against infections that could lead to leg weakness or injury. So make sure to get enough vitamin D to maintain strong and healthy legs. Number 2. Calcium. Calcium is another essential mineral for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It is particularly important for women over 60 who experience a significant decrease in estrogen levels, which can lead to bone loss and increased risk of fractures. Studies show that consuming enough calcium can help prevent osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions that can cause leg weakness. Good sources of calcium include dairy products, tofu, kale, and broccoli. In addition to its role in bone health, calcium also plays an important role in muscle function. Adequate calcium levels are essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation, which is important for overall leg strength and mobility. A deficiency in calcium can lead to muscle cramps and spasms, which can worsen leg weakness. It is recommended to consume 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day to maintain strong legs and prevent osteoporosis. However, it is important not to exceed the recommended amount, as too much calcium can lead to kidney stones and other health problems. 3. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in bone health by helping calcium deposit properly in the bones. Studies show that people with low levels of vitamin K2 have an increased risk of fractures, osteoporosis, and other bone-related conditions. Vitamin K2 is found in high quantities in cheese, butter, and meat, but it is also produced by beneficial gut bacteria. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is essential for optimal vitamin K2 levels. In addition to its role in bone health, vitamin K2 also plays an important role in preventing cardiovascular disease. It does this by preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. By maintaining adequate levels of vitamin K2, you can help keep your arteries healthy and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in the production of red blood cells and DNA. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to anemia, fatigue, and weakness in the legs. This can be especially problematic for older adults, as the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 decreases with age. Fortunately, it is easy to increase vitamin B12 levels by consuming foods rich in this vitamin, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For vegetarians and vegans, vitamin B12 can be obtained from fortified cereals and nutritional yeast. In addition to its role in blood cell production, vitamin B12 also plays an important role in nerve maintenance and function. Adequate levels of this vitamin are essential for the protection of myelin, the fatty substance that surrounds and protects nerve cells. By maintaining adequate vitamin B12 levels, you can help ensure that your nerves function properly and that your legs remain strong and healthy. Number 5. Iron. Iron is a mineral that plays an essential role in the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to the body's tissues. A deficiency in iron can lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath, all of which can contribute to leg weakness. Women are at a higher risk of iron deficiency than men due to menstruation and pregnancy. Good sources of iron include lean meats, spinach, lentils, and fortified cereals. In addition to its role in oxygen transport, iron also plays an important role in energy production. It is involved in the conversion of food into usable energy in the body's cells, including those in the legs. By maintaining adequate iron levels, you can help ensure that your legs have the energy they need to stay strong and healthy. It is important to note that too much iron can also be harmful, so it is important to consume iron-rich foods in moderation and avoid taking iron supplements without consulting a healthcare professional. Number 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an essential role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including the synthesis of proteins and DNA. It also helps regulate muscle function, including that of the legs. Studies show that people with low levels of magnesium have increased risk of muscle weakness, cramps, and fatigue, all of which can contribute to leg weakness. Good sources of magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. In addition to its role in muscle function, magnesium also plays an important role in bone health. It helps regulate calcium levels in the body and prevents the formation of kidney stones. By maintaining adequate magnesium levels, you can help support strong bones and reduce your risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It is important to note that certain medications, such as diuretics, can deplete magnesium levels in the body. If you take any medications, talk to your healthcare provider about whether you may need to increase your magnesium intake through diet or supplements. While these vitamins are essential for maintaining strong legs, it is also important to engage in regular physical activity and maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. If you experience persistent leg weakness or other health concerns, it is always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. Thank you for watching today's video on the top 6 vitamins that can help you regain strong legs fast. We hope that this information has been helpful and that you will incorporate these vitamins into your daily diet to improve your leg strength and overall health. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more informative health videos. Stay active, eat healthy, and take care of your legs. And we will see you in our next video.